Hello, you welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media. Top 4 Best Cable Organizer Travel Review. Number 4. The DIY Foam Storage Bag is a customizable travel zipper case designed to protect your outdoor tools and accessories. Its shockproof foam interior offers excellent protection for sensitive items like cameras, ensuring they stay secure during travel. The durable, lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go use, while the customizable foam compartments allow you to organize your gear efficiently, providing a practical solution for outdoor enthusiasts and photographers. Number 3. Description: Note 1. Due to the light and screen difference, the item's color may be slightly different from the pictures. 2. Please allow 0.5 to 2 cm differences due to manual measurement. 3. The product does not contain demonstration items. Large capacity. Keep all your electronics accessories organized. Multiple pockets and elastic loops sleeve offer great flexibility for packing electronics accessories such as USB cable cord, cell phone, flash drive, wall charger, SD/TF card, hard drive, etc. Number 2. Specifications: High concerned chemical, none. Capacity: 200 milliliters. Shape: rectangular. Specification: 38/16 centimeters. Model number: THZF. Feature: eco-friendly. Form: 3-dimensional type. Thickness: 13 wire. Applicable space: behind doors on walls. Use: bathroom. Material: Oxford. Pattern: 3-dimensional type. Number 1. This large capacity travel USB Gadget cable bag is the perfect organizer for all your tech accessories. Designed to store headphones, data cables, hard disks, chargers, and power banks, it keeps your devices neat and protected while traveling. The durable storage box features multiple compartments for easy organization and quick access to your essentials, making it an ideal solution for both professionals and tech enthusiasts on the go. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon get more videos. Thanks for watching.